Brayden Point gets it free. Hagel up ahead. Here's Hedman looking around, snaps it across. Brayden Point is in. He scores! And Brayden Point gets Tampa Bay back within one.
This is all about Victor Hedman again. Watch Victor. Look where he is on the attack again. And this is a beautiful pass. At high speed, he has to make it at exactly the right time, and it has to be exactly in the right place. Because Brayden Point was not stopping. He knew, Victor did, that Brayden had created some separation. He had to wait for him right at the blue line. He couldn't wait any longer because the defenseman in front of Victor would have got a stick on it. Brilliant execution and great finish from Brayden Point, and they're rolling.